I'm really interested in how we can use emerging technologies to solve some of the biggest problems in societies, and I've spent a lot of my time focusing on that, specifically neurotech. Being at the Villers Institute has been amazing. I gave a talk earlier today with my mentors through TKS about how we can use new technologies for solving global problems and how we can innovate to try and tackle these areas.
The most amazing thing that I learned this week was the fusion, the sun power on Earth, and I would really like to share this with my community, with my surrounding people, because I think it's really important and it's powerful energy for the future.
Recently I attended a session where the Carnegie Mellon University had developed a sort of database where they collected satellite images and showed changes relating to polar ice caps melting or sea levels rising over time, and I think those can be really useful tools in understanding climate change and how it can affect us in the future.
I work for the Geneva Science and Diplomacy Anticipator, which is a new organization in Geneva. Basically, we anticipate scientific developments in the future, so we look into the labs worldwide, what will be happening in 5, 10, 25 years from a science perspective, and then we bring this to the table to the broad community for decision making, how to govern and steer these technologies in the future. We've developed a breakthrough radar, a science breakthrough radar from a Jester perspective, where we map and curate all this information about science anticipation, and I will show this radar as a tool for the youth to get fact-based information on scientific trends so that they can use them when they take their actions and think about what to do jointly together.
Within my organization GHE, we are working on bringing sustainable development to the remotest communities of India. Simple technology solutions, I mean, if you look at solar energy, it's there, mobile and internet, it's there, clean cooking solutions, it's there, but it's really about understanding what technology works in what context. And that's the power of technology, and that's what we have seen that happens in these communities.
The word marine biogeochemist actually means that I look at the role that biology plays in the cycling of carbon and energy in the oceans. We use a variety of techniques, so I've used molecular biology to look at the diversity, but now we're using things like satellites to observe the surface ocean, so these microscopic plants actually color the ocean.
What we're building at Hub Ocean is a fantastic tool. It's called the Ocean Data Platform, and this is going to be, actually we have very large goals, ambitions. It's going to be the data collaboration hub for the ocean, meaning that we will be collecting and sharing most of the world's ocean data, and also building the platform to build digital tools and insight on top of it.
The oceans are vast and complex, and we need a variety of different tools and a variety of different expertise and people to draw it all together that kind of take a systems-based approach.
I think a really key understanding, even for myself, that I would love to share with young people is that you don't have to think that you'll help solve the problem 20 years from now. Even as a young person, there's so much you can do today to be able to learn and do actionable things that aren't Mickey Mouse cute projects but can actually help people in the world.